Hello, we are going to meet some farm animals. First, we have the cow. Cows give us milk and love to eat grass. Oh, here are the chickens. Chickens lay eggs. Isn't that amazing? And here's a pig. Pigs love mud. Pigs are so playful. Look, fluffy sheep. Sheep say, sheep give us wool to keep us warm. Thank you, sheep. Here's a goat. Goats say, goats love to climb and eat plants. What a clever animal! Here come the ducks. Ducks love water and have webbed feet to help them swim. Wow! Look at the horse. Horses go. Horses are fast and love to run. What a beautiful animal! Wow! We met so many friends today. The cow, chicken, pig, sheep, goat, duck, and horse. Which one was your favorite? Thanks for visiting the farm. See you next time. Bye-bye.